In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Google Slides edit history. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your presentation's changelog, how to label important milestones, and how to save a snapshot you can reference later, all without disrupting your current work. Start by opening Google Slides and loading the presentation you want to review. Make sure you're signed in and that you have permission to view or edit the file, because the history you see depends on your access. Give the file a moment to fully load so all recent changes are captured. At the top of the screen, look for the Edit History control. It's typically a small clock-like icon or a last edit was link in the toolbar area. Click that. This is the quickest way to open your presentation's version history without digging through menus, and it works consistently across Google Slides interfaces. When the version history opens, you'll see a panel on the right side of your screen. This panel lists saved versions by time and date, often grouped into sessions to keep things tidy. It's designed to give you a clear timeline of changes so you can understand how the presentation evolved. You'll notice that versions are organized from newest to oldest, helping you trace recent edits first. If this is a collaborative deck, you may also see which collaborators contributed to a version, giving you helpful context about who worked on which updates and when. Next, move your attention to the three-dot menu associated with a version in that right side panel. Click the three dots to reveal options for that specific snapshot. This menu is your way to manage a version without affecting the current document, and it keeps your workflow focused and safe. From here, choose the option to name this version. Giving clear, meaningful names like Client Review Draft, Final Slides for Q1, or Design Refresh makes it much easier to find the exact point in time you're looking for later on. Keep names short but descriptive so they stand out in the list and help your team recognize important checkpoints at a glance. You can also select the option to make a copy. This creates a separate presentation based on that particular version, leaving your original file untouched. It's great for sharing a frozen snapshot with stakeholders, preserving a milestone before major changes, or experimenting with a new direction without risk. The copy includes the content exactly as it existed at that moment, so you can compare versions side by side if needed. And that's it. With these controls, you can quickly review edits, label key milestones, and save clean copies, all directly from Google Slides.